Hello everyone, my name is Ford. Today I am here with Ford Ranger XL Plus Sport. Today I would like to show you how to use radio on multi-touch screen with sync. Let's get started. When you start the car, you will see this home screen. And to use FM mode, just select add the audio and you can see sources as FM. But if you want to see more like AM mode, AFM mode and Bluetooth, you can select whatever you want. I prefer FM and it works. You can use browse to search for radio station, this that the car can detect. And if you want to set a preset for quick use, if you have your favorite radio channel, you can set it at here by press and hold, and the radio channel will be here. For the direct tune here, you can put the frequency of your favorite radio station by press the number into it. Like I like the 92.5, I can jump to the channel immediately. If you want to volume down the audio, you just turn the indicator here. If you want to volume up, just turn it around like this. And if you want to close everything, just push this button and the audio is off. I hope you enjoyed the video and the lesson would be useful for you. This Ford Ranger XL Plus Sport, there is something more. I will talk about that on other video. Thanks for watching. See you around.